Hi guys, I'm doing a little pre-dinner prep. It's going to be a busy night, so I'm in the kitchen and I thought my counter's covered with Norwex, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. First of all, I'm cooking something that smells delish. It's chicken breast, some ranch seasoning, cream cheese, and cheddar cheese. I didn't put any salt and pepper in it yet, but I'm sure I will. So doesn't that sound good? And it smells so good in the house. So I have some carrots I want to roast with my roasted potatoes. And it says washed and ready to use. Well, I never believe that anymore. So I'm going to get a bowl here, put a little bit of cold water in it, and then see if there's anything on my veggies. Hi, whoever stopped by. Say hello. So we have our water. I also have the 2 cutting boards here that a few of our people got in the Buying Club freebies. All right, washed and ready to eat. We're gonna see. Okay, so I just have my water and my carrots. And now I'm gonna put, let's see, I don't know why I just shook it up. I don't think I need to do that. So it says use 0.5 ounces in 16 ounces of water. So I always do less. I'm just gonna do a capful. And we'll see. And I'll try to reuse the water because it's still good, if I wash 1 or 2 other things. So that's the fresh produce wash. All right, so let that soak. May not have put enough in, but I'm very frugal. And I have some potatoes I'm gonna clean. Hi, how are you? And I'm gonna use the kitchen, like the veggie scrub cloth. I really like this one. And I'm gonna keep the skin on the potato, so when I make roasted potatoes with a little olive oil and some seasonings, oh, they're gonna be good. I'll get a crispy outer crust. So get these nice and clean. I know sweet potatoes are better for me, but regular potatoes taste better. Hey, Rose. All right, so I cleaned one. Let me grab a kitchen towel. Of course, I don't have one laying here. It's laundry day. It's always laundry day, boy. Kids and sports and stuff. Every day is laundry day. So I just cleaned this one off, and this is the one I haven't cleaned yet. So it does a pretty good job. I'm gonna just wash this one off with my hand like I used to, and then I'll hold them up and see if there's a big difference. Ugh, I can feel a lot of grit on there. All right. So this is the one I just hand washed without a scrub cloth, and this is the scrub cloth one. So this one definitely looks a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna do this one. Oh, and my sink, because I'm gonna cut some spots off. I have the netted dishcloth. If you haven't tried that yet, you'll love it. When you have shavings or scrapings from your potato or your carrots, whatever you might have, it'll catch it, and you can just use one of those composters or toss them, whatever you do. Sometimes I throw them off the back deck because we have a lot of livestock, wild livestock. Turkeys, frogs, turtles. I saw a deer on our camera the other day. Okay, this one's good. Whew. All right, and I'm gonna use my Norwex cutting board. I have 2 sizes now. When I started, I just started with the smaller one. I actually think it was in my new consultant kit. It was in like the gold or platinum package. So I've had this one for a long time. This is my new one. So you see, I haven't really cut on it any. You know, there's no cuts or indentations. This is the one I've had a year and use it a few times a week. So there weren't any scratches on that one either. Pretty good, huh? And I use this all the time. I like when I'm cooking steak or something and it's, you know, it's really juicy. It has a little ledge for the juices to flow to so it doesn't make a mess. I think they might be. They might be. I'm posting, you know, I wanted to talk about them because a lot of people, or a few people got them in their Hostess Rewards, or I'm sorry, the Summer Buying Club freebies. And so I just wanted to show the 2 different sizes. So just really nice. It's made out of corn husk and it is so durable. It's, you know, obviously it's from nature. It's recycled materials. I don't know if I want to cut my potatoes like this. I'm roasting them. I think I will, and then I'll smash them a little bit. I have a discerning crowd. My 12-year-old likes to critique cooking. He's a little chef, and he is actually pretty good. But sometimes he wants to bake the moment he walks in from school. That's always fun. Like I went from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. All right, so these guys I'm gonna bake. That is the one thing I wish Norwex had, was a baking pan. But I get my baking pans from Pampered Chef or Costco. So I do have some good Pampered Chef that I love. Does anyone have one of these? It's I don't know if it's called a masher, but this works so great. And if you are deep cleaning your Norwex, you can kind of push on the cloths while they're in the sink deep cleaning and just kind of move this around, and it creates a good kind of jumpy environment, so a lot of the debris comes out of the cloths. You can actually get a deeper clean, I think, using one of these. So that's about it. Let's see how these carrots went. See if they're really pre-washed. Actually, I think those said triple wash. And we'll look at the water. I should have used a glass bowl, but I don't have any. Maybe that's the one thing I need. You always have to need or want something, right? All right, so here's what come off of that. Can you see it very good? A lot. Actually, let me get a glass. I think I do have a big glass. I love these measuring cups. We'll see how well the produce washed it. Are you guys just waiting for me to drop something? It's a lot of moving parts. Okay. That is what the produce wash got off of my triple washed organic carrots. How crazy is that? Thank God I don't have a microscope, because I would probably never eat again. So I'm gonna rinse these off. Look for bad spots. I see a couple. That's actually just a bad one. I'm gonna roast these with my roasted potatoes, mix something healthy with something yummy. And look at this, I haven't done all my work yet, but I've already started a nice collection in my sink of scraps, so then I can get rid of them without them messing up my sink. Well, that's all, guys. I just wanted to say hi. And if you're ever looking for an easy concoction, I have chicken breast, ranch seasoning, cream cheese, and cheddar cheese. That's it. No salt and pepper. It's going to be amazing. I actually did put a lot of ranch seasoning in it, so my house smells so good. 8 hours on low. I'll let you know how it goes. Have a great night. I'll see you guys later.